guys, I'm Jessie here with Kaylee.
Hi guys.
I'm sure you guys all know her. She has a YouTube show, Hey Kaylee. She does wonderful crafts and we do lots of fun things together every once in a while. Today we're coming to make homemade vanilla. You can do any type of gifts. I love to keep them in my pantry to give as gifts anytime, just in case they're just like go-to. Somebody shows up at your door and you're like, oh, I got you a gift too.
That's such a good idea.
Yeah.
Homemade gifts are the best, especially when it's something that is like so great to use.
Yeah. And then they think that you really thought of them, which most times I really do, but you know, that's one time, that one person that just slipped your mind for some reason, and you're like, yes, I made you something. Here you go.
Nice. Yeah.
So this is a super simple recipe. These are Indonesian vanilla beans. I can link where I buy them from below. They're super simple. You get them by the ounce. This is 1 ounce right here.
So does it, oh, you get them by the ounce. Okay.
Yeah. You can order them by the ounce, and you can do many of these little containers. Sometimes you'll just do like a big pint of vanilla, and then you can disperse that throughout, or you can use it yourself. It takes 4 to 6 weeks to be like pretty dang good vanilla. Things that I've read from other people, like 4 to 6 months, they'll keep it in a dark place and let it just get stronger and stronger and stronger. Most of the food bloggers that you will follow do like a 6-month period to a year sometimes if they have a huge stock before they use it. So it sits in there.
Okay.
So all you need today is your vanilla beans, your containers, whatever you want to use for your containers. These are just from Amazon. They're spice jars on Amazon. They have the little whole spices. I just take that off because we don't need it. And then alcohol of your choice. You can do vodka, rum. We are doing Finlandian.
Yes.
Oh.
I don't know.
Vodka of Finland is what we're doing today.
Something else that you're also going to need are some labels so that you know what is inside of these cute little jars. And we're just using some like baker's twine. You can use yarn, string, whatever you have. And we have a bunch of random labels that we also just had. So you can use any of these things. You could also use like the little chalkboard labels and just stick them on the front.
So you can write on them. This actually is a chalkboard one as well. I got these at Target, like the dollar aisle. And then you can also label on them that's vanilla, but also put the date it was started and when it should be ready. And then people know when to pull it. It might be a Christmas gift, but it's something that's going to keep on giving because it's not going to be ready for a month or two. But it's just so people remember when you give it to them, oh, what date did they tell me? And it's already on the bottle, so they already have it. Okay, so for every 5 vanilla beans, you need 1 cup of vodka. So we're going to do 1 cup fills both of these small bottles. So we're just going to do 5 beans. Before you do it, you need to cut the beans just down the center really lightly. You don't just completely fillet them open. You just open them slightly, and then it exposes the beans inside of the vanilla.
Okay, and you don't want to go all the way through. You just want to cut the one side open.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if it's too long for like these, then you can just snap them in half. So we've already cut these ones. So there.
About how many do you put in each?
So this is together. This would be 1 cup, and so you can do more, but you only need about 5 beans per cup of vodka. So you can do 5 in each of these, and it'll just be stronger.
Okay.
So here's 1 cup. That's the good stuff. And then we're going to just pour it over the beans.
While you're doing that, I'll cut some string for our labels.
We might have a little bit left over. That's okay, just cover it. Okay. And then we screw in the lids. So, in order for these to age right, you need to have them in a dark place. So, you can put them like in a cupboard that usually stays dark, or you can put them like under your sink or in the pantry in a dark, like a bag or something, just so they age right.
We'll put the labels on.
And one tip that I did get, you do not have to heat this at all, but if you want to hurry the aging process up, is put your alcohol, the rum or vodka, whatever one you use, into a pot and bring it to a boil. It doesn't have to boil long, just to a boil, and then pour over, and it increases the time that you, or decreases the time that you need to keep it aging.
That's good to know.
I hope you guys like this tip and fun little gift. Post a comment below just to tell us if you guys have any tips on how to do it, if you guys have done it in the past, or if you guys have any questions, let us know and we will be quick to answer them.
Awesome. Thanks, Jess.
Have a good day.
See ya.